Alright guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, walking to the area in the freezing cold. It is like 40 something degrees out. In the lower 40s, like 40, 41. Hi, good night. Hi, I'm Sam.
How you doing? Nice
Sam, I am. Nice to meet you.
I got stuff all in my hands. So, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not afraid of corona, don't worry.
Alright.
It's just, I was kind of pissed.
Okay, that's no problem. Like, we're not about to get raw. So, yeah. So, we're out here. Sorry. Me. This is a location. It's a very interesting spot. And a nice little firewood. Keeping us not from freezing. Like, listen, I don't think I would have been out here this long if it wasn't for this firewood. Because it is cold. And this fire is doing it for me. It's beautiful. Get it, Sam. Yeah. It's a small one. So very small. So I'm turn the videographer. Alright.
Nice fish, Sam.
Not too bad.
What? That's like a 25-pound catfish.
Let me get this sucker. Horny, lost an eye. Oh, I got my phone. I don't want it to fall out of my pocket.
Yeah, I got you.
I'm sorry.
Hey, watch your fingers.
Oh, you're gonna get one of those?
Yeah.
Great.
Slide it in there. And make it like
Beautiful fish, Sammy.
Yeah, awesome.
Oh. I need that video.
Let's see your face, Sam. Let's see how excited you are. She's so happy. Isn't that a beautiful fish?
It's a fat one. I thought it was small though. He's a lazy.
Cold.
You don't fight much. Okay. There we go. Alright.
Awesome.
Hey!
Watch your eyes. Watch your eyes.
She's so stoked.
I know.
Hey, hey, hey. Jamaica. Yeah, look at this beast.
It's a nice sized fish. Do
Yeah,
It is a beast. Time for her to go back.
you want me to get a picture of you with it?
A pig? I thought you were videoing.
Oh, I did. I definitely got a video. You can
Alright,
snag.
picture. Call that fish and it swam back. Swim back. Come back, Jack. Jack, come back.
You gone. Beautiful fish, Sam.
Beautiful fish.